That moment when you forget everything in an exam, this is why it happens. You studied everything. You revised again and again. You even solved past questions. You felt ready, confident. But the moment the exam paper landed in front of you, your mind went completely blank. You look at the first question, and suddenly it feels unfamiliar. Your heart starts beating faster. Your hands feel cold. You try to remember, but nothing comes. And then the thoughts begin. What if I fail? What if I forget everything? What if all my effort was wasted? These thoughts don't help. They make it worse. Now here's something important you need to understand. This is not because you are dumb. This is not because you didn't study enough. This happens to almost everyone at some point. Your brain is actually working against you, but for a reason. Inside your brain, there are systems responsible for memory and thinking. But under stress, these systems don't work properly. When you feel anxious, your brain thinks you are in danger. Not exam danger, real danger, like being chased or attacked. So it activates survival mode. And in survival mode, your brain focuses on one thing only: staying alive. Not solving questions, not recalling definitions, just survival. That's why your memory suddenly feels like it disappeared. But here's the truth. It didn't disappear. It's still there. You just can't access it in that moment. Think of it like a locked room. All your knowledge is inside, but stress is the lock, and panic makes that lock even tighter. So the real solution is not study more. The real solution is learn how to unlock your brain during stress. Step 1. Control your breathing. This sounds simple, but it is powerful. Take a slow breath in, hold it, and breathe out slowly. Do this for a few seconds. When you slow your breathing, your body sends a signal to your brain. You are safe. And when your brain feels safe, it slowly exits survival mode. Step 2. Pause. Don't rush to answer immediately. Close your eyes for just 5 to 10 seconds. Let your brain settle. This small pause works like a reset button. It gives your mind time to reconnect, and often your thoughts start coming back naturally. Step 3. Start with the easiest question. Don't try to solve the hardest one first. Pick something simple, something you are sure about. When you answer an easy question, something interesting happens. Your confidence increases, and confidence reduces stress instantly. And when stress goes down your memory starts coming back up. Another powerful trick: write something, anything. Even if you don't remember the full answer, write small points, a keyword, a definition, a related idea, because your brain works in connections. One idea leads to another, and suddenly, the full answer starts forming. So next time your mind goes blank in an exam, don't panic. Pause, breathe, start small, and trust this. Your knowledge is still there. You just need to stay calm enough to access it.